Oh, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing
today? I hope y'all have a marvelous day. You know we are, and you know what she say. And above and not under, y'all. It's a blessed day. So, what we gonna sing?
We're gonna mukbang, mukbang. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang
/ burping.
I feel like I'm out of breath.
Eating show. It's okay, I'm there to pick you up when you're falling.
I'll be thirsty lately. Okay, y'all.
Hi, Bella.
It's Friday. Y'all know what time it is. So, Shoshana, tell them what we got.
Corona.
Yes.
Extra.
Yes.
Imported from Mexico.
Yes, we got 2 different types tonight.
Also, I believe imported from Mexico.
Mexican beers.
And Canada Dry. Ever since 1904.
Oh, yes, y'all. So we gonna see soda versus burr. 2 different types at that. And I want to say congratulations to my baby girl, Shamika. She graduated today. I know she be watching the videos. She graduated with honors, top of her class. So, congratulations, my love. You making mommy and daddy proud. Oh, this half a start. Cheers, y'all.
I gotta give it time. Because I would have been talking to y'all as I drink, but she wanted to drink. We want to talk and then chug.
Ooh. Now, you know when you drink Corona, it has to be like, y'all, I got lemons, but it's in the freezer, so plus I'm chugging, whatever. Don't judge me. But it has to be extra cold, or else it just don't taste right. But Corona is so good.
If I do drink beer, which I am very opposed to drinking beer, excuse me, I would pick Corona if I had to drink a beer. If I couldn't get Corona, I'll probably get Modelo.
Now y'all know.
The rest of that stuff,
Y'all, Heineken?
Ooh.
That's my, let's not go into the Browns.
Ooh.
I cannot do the Browns.
Ooh. God, no.
But these 2 right here,
especially Corona,
I can get down with it.
I love, cause she looks more of a Modelo, but I really, I enjoy Corona.
I just got a little burp from that. I didn't even burp.
It's so light though. I think that's why I kind of like it. It's more on the light side.
I got 1 little burp out of that. What?
It's not real fizzy like that is.
She said it's not real fizzy.
It's not.
Okay. Let the champion do what it does best. Make mama burp. It's the way they say you're supposed to drink.
Am I burping more than you?
Yes, you
That
are.
has never happened in the history of us burping together.
Cheers. This is so cold. Ooh. So good. I'm enjoying my beer tonight. I hope you're
She is. I'm so used to watching, so I'm just like watching her.
I'm enjoying my beer tonight. I don't know about the burping part.
Right. Look at my nails, y'all. I just had to take this thumb off. It was lifting.
I told you. My baby was going through it. She be doing me right.
I just can't taste the taste. I can't take the taste.
Of what?
Like Modelo has a taste.
What kind of taste?
Like aftertaste.
What?
It does.
Please.
It does. It truly does.
Brewed in Mexico.
Brewed in Mexico. That was Corona. That was not Modelo.
That was Modelo. That wasn't no daggone Corona. Corona was sitting down there for a while. It wasn't doing nothing. Please. Okay.
Put some respect on Corona name.
She just, I know she's staring at me. Cause she always do. I could just feel the eyes just piercing. It's piercing me, you feel what I'm saying?
Oh my God, and I know I'm doing it and I just keep doing it.
She's just staring. Let's do some hiccup burps.
I don't have hiccups.
She does that. I hiccup, I don't burp, but she does.
No.
Do on command.
I can't do on command.
Air. You can't swallow it? No? Let me help it out, cuz see.
Need a little motivation?
Yeah. I think it needs a lot of motivation tonight.
I had to stare off into space because of the simple fact that I felt like a burp was brewing. That was my biggest burp of the night.
Really?
I'm pretty sure that was.
Really?
Yeah, that's it.
Really?
I'm not her burping child. I'm not.
The burping one.
It's two of them. It's Quan and Kyra. I mean, not Quan
and Mika.
Yeah. Me and Kyra wasn't.
Kwani.
Like
oh, no. You know how many times I'll be begging him, y'all, do a burping video with me. He's like, Mama, I don't burp on camera. He's so irritating.
Yeah, but some good ones too.
Some
and anytime,
ones.
yeah, we be like good one. He be like, ha. Then he like, I'm not doing a video. Just shooting down the offer before it was even offered. Why thank you.
Thank you.
I thank you. As we discard of the garbage.
That was so good. Hold on. I'm gonna do y'all right. I'm gonna give y'all some. Because I know those beers didn't do much. Come on, Shoshana.
Girl, can I help you? I can't.
Y'all, I've been practicing. I'm getting better at just on command thing.
Yeah.
A little better. Kiss, I miss you. Have not spoken to you in like forever. Not to mention
Misha!
Right, Misha, what's going on with you, girl? I'm gonna have to find my peeps. I miss y'all. Lynette, I'm still waiting on you. Lynette. Yeah. Waiting. Oh. Yeah.
She just couldn't wait to show y'all that.
Lynette, I'm still waiting on you, girl. I told you I'm waiting patiently. Okay. There you go, mommy. Oh, get it, girl. Get it. Oh, you see that face?
Shut up, Mom. supposed to compete with that. Me. Compete with that. It's no way. It's no way I'm gonna always
It's one
lose.
down there. Oh, y'all, I can't wait
So what?
for that earth shattering. It shatters everything.
Shout out to Miss Squeaky with that burp though, for real.
Oh my.
You could definitely burp though, I'll give you that. You could definitely burp.
Y'all, it's down there.
Just like the consistent burping.
You.
No, you.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. My belly. All that air, it's just waiting to like explode. Like
Every time she says explode, it does the complete opposite. Oh, that was pretty good. I will feel like you burped on me so hard if I was like behind the camera. She would have burped on me so much.
y'all, it be feeling so good. Hold on, it's still one down there. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That's so much fun. It feels so good. Like, just
Really?
spilled out.
What an explanation!
It did. It just came up.
Oh my god. She is too much. But anyway, guys, that is it from us two today. We will see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.
Have a great weekend, y'all. Live it up, enjoy, have fun.